Welcome to our in-depth review of 4 popular blenders: the Ninja Blender NJ601AMZ, Vitamix Explorian, Breville Fresh and Furious, and Blendtec Classic 575. Each blender has unique features catering to different users and needs. Let's explore their pros and cons to find the best fit. First, the Ninja Blender NJ601AMZ boasts a powerful 1,000-watt motor, perfect for crushing ice, fruits, and veggies. It's budget-friendly, making it an ideal choice for those seeking performance without a high price. The Dishwasher-Safe design eases cleanup and adds to its user-friendly nature. However, the Ninja lacks advanced controls, offering only a few basic settings. It's also quite loud, potentially disturbing in shared spaces or early mornings. Additionally, it struggles with demanding tasks like making nut butters or thick purees without manual effort. Next, the Vitamix Explorian 65542 offers professional-grade performance, handling everything from smoothies to hot soups with ease. Its 10-speed variable control allows for precise texture adjustments. Known for durability, Vitamix ensures longevity with high-quality materials and a robust motor. The Vitamix is expensive, making it less accessible for casual users. Its bulky 64-ounce container can be inconvenient on limited counter space. Furthermore, it requires manual operation, lacking preset options, which might be cumbersome for some. The Breville Fresh and Furious BBL 620 CIL features moderate power with a 1,100-watt motor, ideal for daily blending tasks like smoothies and salsas. Its versatile preset programs simplify blending, and quieter operation suits shared living spaces. The stylish design and compact size enhance its appeal. Despite its strengths, the Breville isn't suited for heavy-duty tasks, struggling with tougher blends like nut butters. Its 50 ounces container limits capacity for larger servings. While cheaper than the Vitamix, it's pricier than budget options like the Ninja. Lastly, the Blendtec Classic 575 offers commercial-grade power with a powerful motor and large 90-ounce WILDSIDE Plus jar, perfect for large families. Its pre-programmed cycles ensure consistent results, and the self-cleaning function simplifies maintenance. The durable jar supports big batches. Blendtec's high price makes it more suitable for frequent users needing robust power. It can be noisy, especially during tough blends. Users may face a learning curve with its powerful settings and pre-programmed options, requiring time to master its interface. In summary, the Ninja NJ601AMZ is best for budget-conscious users wanting a reliable blender for smoothies and drinks. It offers strong performance without high costs. Meanwhile, the Vitamix Explorian is perfect for those seeking professional-grade power and versatility, ideal for culinary enthusiasts. Breville Fresh and Furious suits users wanting quiet, everyday performance with preset options, making it great for regular use without needing heavy-duty power. The Blendtec Classic 575 is ideal for families needing commercial-grade power for larger quantities and complex tasks. Ultimately, the best blender depends on your specific needs. Casual users may prefer the Ninja for affordability, while serious cooks find the Vitamix invaluable for versatility. Breville offers a quieter experience for regular use, and Blendtec provides high power and capacity. That wraps up our review. You can find Amazon links to these items in the description to explore further. Thanks for visiting our channel. We'd love your support through likes, subscriptions, and comments. Let us know your thoughts. We'd like to hear from you.